Well, it's one of the best days of the year. Time to, if I can get the door unlocked, time to start corn harvest. So first things first, just have to get the big tractor out, get it hooked up to the gravity wagons, and then we'll go get the combine, which I'm excited about. Check the oil. Oil looks good. Yeah. Here's the good one. Here's the combine. Maybe can't do this and film it. Okay, check the oil on this too before we get going. Coolant's good. Check our engine oil. A little bit lower, but still on the full mark. Check our hydraulic oil. That's good. Make sure that's in. Not much room between the top of the combine and the barn, but time to start.
Talking to yourself?
No. Hey, Huds.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We're going to the combine right now.
Yep.
See it?
Are we going to combine your field?
Yep.
Okay, let's see if it
I
starts.
got my watch with me. It's 12:40 right now.
Yep. You know who plays at 1?
Who?
What's Daddy's shirt?
Lions.
Yeah. All right, let's see if this starts up.
My watch fell off. My watch fell off.
Oh, I can help with that. First, we're gonna get our cameras on. Get that. It's a cool watch.
Yep. Shows time. With video games on this, I change the setting like this. Who do I want? Who did I should
Oh, what
do?
character? Rebel, Chase, Marshall,
Every character.
Sky. All right,
And
Daddy's
Liberty.
gonna. Can we say Happy Harvest?
Happy Harvest.
Happy Harvest 2024.
2024.
second, we're watching Grams head out. Grams and Alyssa. There they go. So, are we driving the combine back?
Yep.
What field do you think we're gonna do?
My video.
Yeah. Maybe we'll start with the one right by the barn, just to so Daddy can get the combine set right.
When Dad gets to Lucy's, I'm gonna set a timer. I'm gonna time him.
So for those who live in West Michigan, Hudson's talking about Lewis Farm, Lewis Adventures. Is that a fun place to go?
Yeah.
Did you go there yesterday?
Not Michigan. It's Lewis.
Yeah, Lewis Adventures. That's what it's called. Lewis Farms.
You freaking Michigan.
No. Did you go to Lewis's yesterday with Grams?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Do you pet the animals or play with the different activities?
I went in the corner and I played on the playground.
Yeah.
Those were the only thing I did, except the candy water. I literally only got like those chocolate little things.
Yeah.
I
Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah, I only got two stuff. It was different.
Where was?
I mean, one thing was different.
Yeah. But you had a fun day. You know what Daddy's really excited for?
What?
Combining.
You always are.
You know the funny thing? When Daddy woke up this morning, it felt like Christmas.
Why?
Because we're gonna start combining.
It's not Christmas.
So, well, anyways, the combine goes about 21, 22 miles an hour. So
Yeah, he's nice cold.
yeah.
But instead of 10-minute timer, if you're done by 10 minutes, I'm gonna be. If you're back in 10 minutes, I'm not gonna be impressed.
Yeah. But Grams and Alyssa are up in front of us with the with the corn head, right?
See them? They're
Yeah,
all
I'll
the
tell
way
you,
up.
they're way up there. There's
Yeah.
Grams and Alyssa. Are we gonna start combining?
Yeah. I'm gonna time him for the first field
Sounds good.
with my burger.
Okay, you want to hop in?